Now I am going to start a very interesting part, that is application of crystal field theory to octahedral complex. Here it is necessary to understand the concept. I have drawn a octahedron in which this metal is present at the center and ligands on the surrounding. Ligands have lone pairs. So when ligand attack on the metal, there is a repulsion energy between the lone pair and electrons of the metal. Try to understand. When ligand attack on the metal, ligands have lone pair, and this lone pair attacks, or this lone pair repels the electron present in the central metal ion. In this case, ligands are attacking from x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Ligands are attacking on the axis, along the axis, and they are not attacking in between the axis. So, the energy on the axis increases and repulsion energy in between the axis decreases. As on the axis or along the axis, repulsion energy increases and in between the energy decreases, so there is a new proposal, that is the splitting of the crystal field split, is called crystal field splitting, which I have shown in the another figure, that is d orbit is divided into two sets. The first set, which is at the lower level, is known as T2G, and at the higher level it is termed as EG. Students, try to understand, the repulsion energy along the axis is increasing. Then which lobes are present along the axis? That is dx square y square and dz square. And the repulsion energy decreases in between the axes. Which lobes are present? In last lecture we have studied, that is dxy, dyz and dxz. These lobes are present in between the axes where ligands are not attacking. So energy in between the axis decreases. So in the another figure you can see that the dxy, dyz and dxz at the lower level and dx square y square dz square at the higher level. So there is a splitting between the two sets, that is T2G and EG. Now the difference in the energy between two sets EG and T2G, it is given by a symbol, that is delta O, or it is also called as 10 dq. What is this 10? Number of d orbitals are 5. So number of electrons are 10. D is the destabilization of d orbitals and Q is the charge of ligand. Q is the charge of a ligand. You can see in a diagram that you can see the barycenter, right? And the lower side is minus 4 dq, means it decreases by minus 4, and the Eg goes in or upper side, that is it increases by the plus 6, that is 3 by 5 delta O. It increases by plus 3 by 5 delta O, and or we can say that it increases, Eg increases by plus 6 dq and T2G decreases by minus 4 dq. One more concept I have to clear in this part, that is there are two types of ligands. If the ligands attacking are more stronger, then the crystal field splitting will be more. Crystal field splitting will be more. If the ligands are weak, then the splitting will be, the difference between the two, that is delta O, will be less. Now in next lecture I will show you how to fill the electrons D1 to D10. We will discuss about the how to fill electrons. So in case of crystal valence bond theory, it is D is divided into 5, that is 5 orbitals and 10 electrons. But now what CFT says, CFT says that 5 orbitals are again converted to 2 sets. The the first set is known as T2G and the another one is known as EG. And T2G is triply degenerated lobes present in between the axis, and EG is double degenerated lobes present along the axis. This is all about the application of CFT to the octahedral complex. In short, I can say that in case of octahedral complex, ligands are attacking from the on the axis, so the energy of the on the axis increases and energy in between the axis decreases. So energy of EG increases and energy of T2G decreases. So the crystal field splitting takes place, and this difference is shown by 10 dq. Thank you.